Hi, welcome back. It is week 4, day 4 of the Digital Declutter Challenge, and today we are deleting all kinds of stuff. Do you ever get those notices on your phone that you either need to buy more cloud storage or clear up space on your phone? Well, today we're going to be looking at some quick and easy ways that you can do that. Some things you might not even thought of deleting, or you thought you deleted but didn't realize they were hiding in the recently deleted folder that you can get rid of to clear up some space. Hi, I am Beth with Sheets and Systems with Beth. I am all about organizing, simplifying, and minimizing your life so that you can live as efficiently as possible so that you get your time back to spend it doing the things you love most. This month, I decided to create the Digital Declutter Challenge so that we could declutter our digital spaces. We do this with our physical space all the time, but in 2021, where do we spend a lot of our time? In the digital world. So it's extra important that your digital spaces are clutter-free and as efficient as possible so that you are as efficient as possible. Today, we're going to look at one way to do that, which is deleting things that you don't need off of your phone. Things like extra alarms, voicemails, photos that are duplicates, and some other things. Let's go.
Why delete alarms you don't use? They don't really take up a ton of space, so why is it important? A, it just looks junky. It's also a disaster waiting to happen. What happens when your super tired brain at night accidentally turns on the wrong alarm instead of the one you meant to set? Let's look at how to actually delete your voicemails. You need to open up your voicemails. You're going to slide them to the left to delete. But did you know that when you do that, it doesn't actually delete your voicemails off of your phone? If you go all the way to the bottom of your screen, you will see a deleted messages folder. You need to go into that and click clear all. This is why you may think that you're deleting your voicemails, but your voicemail box is actually full, and why you have less storage than you think you should. Next, let's talk about deleting apps that you don't use. You need to hold down on the app. You need to click edit home screen. You need to click the minus button. Let me move myself. There we go. A good hint that it's time for you to get rid of an app is if it's got that little cloud icon next to it. That means it's stored in the cloud, so you're not going to use your data, but that you haven't used the app in so long that your phone is trying to save you storage by sending it to the cloud. So any apps that you don't use regularly, go ahead and delete, and that'll free you up a lot of storage and make your phone look less cluttered. And we're done. That is how to clear out some space on your phone.
I hope you enjoyed that video and that now you have some ideas about some things that you can get rid of on your phone to declutter it and to make more space if you need it. If you liked or didn't like this video, let me know below by hitting the like or dislike button. If you are enjoying the Digital Declutter Challenge and don't want to miss a second of all of the awesome short tasks to help you declutter your digital space, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you get notifications about the videos. If you enjoyed this video and you're not ready for us to be done yet, I'm so happy to hear that. There are lots of ways we can connect. They are on the screen now and they are all linked below, and I would love to see you any of those places. Thank you so much for joining me and watching this video, and I'll see you tomorrow for our next task in the Digital Declutter Challenge. Bye!